Welcome to yet another episode of Sarthak Ke Sarathi.
Welcome, sir.
Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill once said, whatever your mind can conceive, whatever you can believe you can achieve, you can achieve. Today, we are bringing a story from the remotest corner of Uttar Pradesh, Sonbhadra district, Muhammad Sajid. He chose to wrote his own destiny. Today, helping people with financial services, with loans, with assistance, working for India Bulls in Dhani. So let's hear from Muhammad his story in his own words from him. Muhammad, welcome to another episode of Sarthak Ke Sarthi. We are glad that you are part of this series.
Thank you so much, sir.
Tell our people the challenges you faced and start from the beginning. Where were you born? Where were you brought up? And the challenges which you went through when people got to know that you have challenges in your mobility.
First of all, thank you, Sarthak, for inviting me here. Actually, sir, if I talk about my journey with Sarthak and before Sarthak and after Sarthak, but I will start from the start that I have got my birthplace Renukut Sonbhadra, and my schooling was done from there only. And after that, I went to Aligarh for completing my graduation from Aligarh Muslim University in commerce. And after that, my father was I should go for the government services. That's why I switched to Lucknow for my preparation. And after 4 to 5 years, I've done a lots of preparation, lot of struggles, I've given a lots of exams in different sectors in state government, central government. But unfortunately, I was not in good in studies. That's why I think that's the main point that I didn't get selected. But my only focus was in my life to achieve something. And by heart, I want to do my for my own self, that I want to do something else regarding apart from a job. That's why I also want to do a business also. But after quitting my government services preparation, I joined Sarthak because I was desperate about to do the job. That's why I started googling about the different NGOs, because I'm a disabled person and I want to work with the NGOs that are providing that are helpful with the for the disabled person, that are helping them out, that helping them to come over with the disability. And I was working with I was searching every day in on daily basis. I used to talk about this with my friends, with my seniors. And during that my continuous search of that searching, I got to know about the Sarthak, and I contacted them. And after the contact, I talked with the Akash sir, and they invited me to the come to and join Sarthak. And in that duration, I taken 3 months training, 3 to 4 months training. In that 3 to 4 months, I've learned a lot. I've learned about my soft skills, about the customer relations, and many more things about the English, about the computer, which the thing. And कुछ ऐसी भी चीजें थी जो मुझे पता नहीं थी about the disabilities, about the disabilities rights. मुझे बहुत कुछ समझ में आया सार्थक को ज्वाइन करने के बाद. एक तरह से क्या था कि डिसेबल पर्सन क्या होता है ना, उनको समाज से एक तरह से वो सामने नहीं आना चाहते हैं. सार्थक हैज मेड देम टू कम फॉरवर्ड. उन्होंने आगे बुलाया, साथ में खड़ा किया. एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि मैं सार्थक से जुड़ा. एंड मैं साथ ही साथ में मैं सार्थक के थ्रू जितने स्टूडेंट्स थे ना, मैं उनसे पर्सनली कांटेक्ट भी हुआ कि आप कैसे रहते हो, क्या करते हो, क्योंकि मैं सच में जानना चाहता था कि उनकी लाइफ जर्नी क्या है. and I'm working with it because my future goal is to open an NGO for the disabled persons, and I'm working with for that also. And right now, after completing my training sessions, I got a job in India Bulls as a sales executive officer, and it's been amazing, and I'm so happy in my life. That's the main thing, that I'm so happy, and it's all thanks to Sarthak. And and in future I also want to that मैं जुड़ा रहना चाहता हूँ सार्थक के साथ, क्योंकि ये एनजीओ ऐसा है ना, मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखा रहा है, क्योंकि लर्निंग कभी खत्म नहीं होती। मैं आज भी लर्न कर रहा हूँ, मैं आज भी सीखना चाहता हूँ, इससे मैं कांटेक्ट में रहता हूँ। और एक तरह से मैं अपने डिसेबल भाई बहनों को, या फिर जब डिसेबल ना भी हो, या फिर अपार्ट फ्रॉम डिसेबिलिटीज, मैं उनसे भी कहना चाहता हूँ, अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट अगर किसी चीज में नहीं, क्योंकि मेरा इंटरेस्ट गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज में नहीं था, मैं प्रिपरेशन नहीं करना चाहता था, बट घर वालों का था कि आप हैंडीकैप हो, आपको कोटा मिलेगा गवर्नमेंट में, आप जाओ करो, आपका जल्दी हो जाएगा। बट deep in my heart, I was thinking that I was not in good in studies. Should I go for that or not? But unfortunately, I went, and I made that goal, my family's goal, as my goal. उनकी ड्रीम को मैंने अपनी ड्रीम बना ली, लेकिन बस वो चीज नहीं हो पाई, क्योंकि वो मेरा ड्रीम नहीं था। तो मेरा ड्रीम था सक्सेस बेस्ड एक बिजनेस करना, एक जॉब करना। तो उस जॉब के साथ साथ मैं आज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं बिजनेस के साथ, जॉब के साथ साथ बिजनेस भी मैंने स्टार्ट किया है, एंड इट इज वर्किंग वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। एंड इंशाल्लाह मैं आगे अपनी जॉब भी क्विट करके मैं बिजनेस ही कर, और साथ ही साथ में एक एनजीओ भी खड़ा करने वाला हूँ, टेबल्स को आगे बढ़ाती है। क्योंकि जॉब हमें स्कूल से सिखाया जाता है ना कि आपको जॉब ही करना है, पढ़ो लिखो जॉब करो। आपको ये नहीं सिखाया जाता कि आपको खुद करना है। आप जब आप सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड हो गए ना, तो आप अपने साथ साथ में 10 को और काम दोगे। मुझे वो करना है, मुझे वो सिखाना है, मुझे वो मतलब कि खुद मैंने लर्न किया है और मुझे आगे तक पहुंचाना है, इस पे मुझे वर्क करना है। एंड आई थिंक द सार्थक इज द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म, जहां से मैं इस चीज को मैं आगे बढ़ा सकता हूँ और मैं इससे जुड़ भी सकता हूँ, नॉट ओनली एज ए स्टूडेंट बट एज ए पार्टनर ऑल्सो, इंशाल्लाह।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है। सो दो आपने बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण चीजें बोली। सो मोहम्मद, यू स्पोक अबाउट टू वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स। वन, सार्थक made people visible, people who are hiding, people who are being hidden, people who are not being spoken about, those Divyangjan, Sarthak made them stand next to a common man, made them visible. That's number one. Second, which is very very important and very punchy thing which you said, is your dreams are yours, because if you follow someone else's dreams, you will end up only chasing someone else's life, which is not yours. And on the deathbed, you'll regret. You have spent your entire life chasing someone else's dream, living someone else's life, fulfilling someone else's wishes. Life is one, life is short, life is concise. Follow your dreams. So thank you. Thank you for bringing these two very, very important aspects of life and living. Two more questions, Mohammed, I have for you. One is, one message which you would want to give to people who generally get depressed, who get impacted by the external world, people who do not see the hope, people who only see the pessimism. Any message you would want to, because you have gone through ups and downs in life, you have gone through hell, and now you are, as you said, you are in a perceived heaven. So what is the message which you would want to give to shift your life from hell to heaven?
Actually, if I talk about the hell and heaven, and because the thing is that we people na, we only focus on the to live, to survive only, but don't be a survival, be a fighter. And I think I am working for that. And if I talk about the suggestion, I only give a suggestion to them, is that, okay, follow your passion, follow your goal, don't let yourself down, don't be in depression. If you feel a depression, see the people who are really want that thing that you are having. आपके पास जो चीज है ना, उनके पास वो भी नहीं है. See them, learn them, and move forward and try to do something for them also, not for yourself. अपने लिए जीना तो क्या जीना, खुद दूसरे के लिए भी जीना चाहिए. तो बस ये मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि live for everyone, live for yourself, live for your life, live for your parents. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. So thank you, Mohammed, for spending time with us, giving words of wisdom, giving us knowledge, giving us words of motivation, which are going to remain forever etched in the minds of Divyangjan, because your words, your positive words, your positivity will surely make a difference, if not for everyone, but for a few, which will be very, very decisive. So thank you, Mohammed, for being with us and being part of Sarthak Ke Sarthi. We wish you all the very best. We wish you all the luck. We wish you all the success. Jai Hind.
Jain sir, thank you so much.
Thank you.